Alright guys, welcome to an ALTCOIN Bible here on a Wednesday. If you're looking to watch the full version of this video or dive into the charts in depth, make sure to become a newsletter subscriber via the link below. Let's have a look at meme coin charts because we're seeing a bit of meme mania and traditional finance for GME and AMC going off the chain. Also seeing PEPE doing something crazy, which I'm going to check out in a sec. So I'm looking at others that are in the big basket of the meme coins in crypto, and Shiba Inu is what I am staring at right now. This chart is tantalizing, and I think it is my cherry ripe this week. Now, nothing is confirmed yet, but I think she is set up for a God almighty run to the upside if the meme coin mania and that liquidity and the narrative continues. So this beautiful downtrend, this big channel or big triangle, I guess, that we're looking at here, very well respected. You can see the tops of the wicks there and the bottoms of the wicks there rather. We're seeing the RSI just grinding sideways, looking really nice. A Stoke RSI starting to shape up. So this is reaching a point, if we're looking here, that it's getting squeezed into the tiny little apex of this triangle here. For confirmation though, I want to see us on top of the 10 EMA. I also want to see us kind of breaking out through this level, but then if you're not sort of buying here, you're probably missing out on 10%. That's probably what you have to accept if you want to be a bit more safe in the move. Getting above that level there, I think that's at 2621 into this point of control volume support. That will be very, very interesting. But once these go, I mean, they go. So that's my cherry ripe there, just based on the few factors that I've mentioned, but ultimately waiting for confirmation. Otherwise, the breakdown is absolutely on the cards. Back down here, sort of flush out this big move here. Now let's go over to PEPE. Now it has been, like I said, off the chain, guys, but I'm just kind of voicing a word of caution here because it has been so vicious to the upside. It likely will cool down relatively soon if we look down those lower time frames. So it's just a rip, absolute going through the ceiling there. The last peak over here, we saw the RSI at these kind of levels. So it does look like it's got a little bit further to go, but I just want to pull us down to the 4-hour time frame. We're seeing these higher peaks just move further extended, while the RSI is starting to lose momentum for the bulls on the upside. Stoke RSI still looks really good, but I'm just highlighting the danger zone. If you're thinking of aping into some of these meme coins at the very top, you just got to be very, very careful and good at managing the risk. So I wanted to show you that there as my danger zone. One to watch. Okay, AI sector. We really have to pay attention to it. It's been walloped a little bit over the last week, but what altcoin hasn't. However, I'm still very bullish on AI for the back end of the month with NVIDIA earnings and other major catalysts, including the ASI merge popping up. And Ocean has broken down from its consolidation path that I had drawn. Now, I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. I think as long as we're seeing this higher low trend happening, and then we can maybe start to look at a larger trend developing here. Really, there's a clear range that's developing in that. If I were to draw another line beneath it, there was a clear range there. For me though, this is preparing for a big launch at some point. So it is definitely my one to watch. I'd love to see a break back into this region, but reclaiming these key moving averages here, creating a higher low, potentially a higher high as well in here. That's when I get really excited for AI again, but I think waiting for confirmation is probably the safest move on some of these tokens. All right, guys, as well, I just wanted to bring you to our clip here. So if you're not a client of ours and you're watching this video thinking, okay, I'm really confused with how to set up a portfolio, what am I supposed to do? The emotion of the market is really getting to me. Well, just watch this ad. I'll play it for you now.
Don't get unlucky when it comes to investing in digital assets. I've got a secret for you. For professionals, there's no luck involved. It's all strategy. If you want to stop getting inconsistent results in your portfolio and you want to start taking control today, then book in a free one-to-one strategy call with my team now.
All right, guys, so if you're keen to do that, make sure to click the link below. We have limited spots available. Click the link below, talk to another team today, and you can get this process in motion before potentially the biggest bull market we have ever seen. So make sure to do that. Thank you for watching. Appreciate your time, guys. Don't also forget that we have a newsletter release coming this Thursday. Tristan's going to release everything on the ASI merge AI protocol. So it's in vogue. It's looking really, really nice. So let's move through that. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye-bye.